What are database keys? Have you ever wondered how databases keep track of all their information without getting confused? One of the key elements that help with this is something called database keys. These keys are specific fields or sets of fields in a database table that uniquely identify each record. They play a vital role in maintaining data integrity, ensuring that everything is organized, accessible, and consistent. Let's break down the different types of database keys. First, we have the primary key. This is the main unique identifier for each record in a table. For example, an employee identification number often serves as a primary key in an administrative database. No two rows can share the same primary key value, and it cannot be empty. Next, we have the foreign key. This key links one table to another by referencing the primary key of a related table. This is important for organizing complex data, like connecting employee records to their respective departments or project assignments. Then there are candidate keys. These are fields or combinations of fields that could potentially serve as a primary key because they uniquely identify records. Among these candidate keys, one is chosen as the primary key, while the others are known as alternate keys. Speaking of alternate keys, these are candidate keys that are not selected as the primary key but still uniquely identify records. They provide alternative ways to access data when needed. Another type is the composite key. This key is made up of two or more fields combined to uniquely identify a record. This is particularly useful when no single field is unique enough on its own. We also have the super key. This is any combination of columns that uniquely identifies a record. Super keys include candidate keys but may have extra attributes that are not necessary for uniqueness. The unique key is similar to a primary key in that it ensures uniqueness, but it can accept empty values, unlike primary keys. Lastly, there is the surrogate key. This is an artificial key created by the system, often a sequential number, used when natural keys are not practical. Understanding these database keys is essential for anyone pursuing an administrative career. Administrative professionals often manage or interact with databases to organize employee records, schedules, and other important data. Knowing how these keys work helps in maintaining accurate records, preventing duplicate entries, and ensuring that data relationships are correctly established. For instance, when managing employee information, the primary key, like an employee identification number, guarantees that each employee's record is unique. Foreign keys can link employee records to departments or projects, enabling comprehensive reports on staffing or resource allocation. In short, database keys are fundamental tools in database management. They enable accurate identification, organization, and connection of data across tables. Mastering these concepts supports effective administrative work involving data handling and system use.